Hey guys, welcome back. So today, super excited to share this vlog with you guys. We are going to run some errands. So I'm going to Sephora and Homegoods. The idea is to redecorate my guest bathroom. The theme is going to be gold, black, and white, pretty much. And I also want to do like a wallpaper feature behind the toilet, so I'm super excited to get that done as well. So at Sephora, I'm going to purchase some additional face cream. You know, gotta keep this face moisturized. And then I'm gonna buy some more foundation. I ran out of my Fenty Beauty foundation, and that's about it. So we're gonna run to Sephora and then we're gonna go to Homegoods. So hopefully you guys could get a little bit of home decor inspo. But one thing I want to say though, today feels like 100 degrees in hell. It's so hot this summer, but it's summer of course, so it's expected. So without no further ado, let's go shopping. Yay!
Kan inte ta tillbaka någonting av det jag sagt. Men om du låter mig förklara har vi I alla fall försökt ge dig en chans.
So I found out that I have $25 worth of Sephora points. So I'm going to cash them in today and get my Fenty Beauty and my Laneige face moisturizer because I love it. It's so light and it's also very moisturizing as well. So I love the way it makes my skin look and feel.
Stora känslor gånger I men när du säger att du vill ge mig en chans. Jag kan vara som bäst för att hitta balansen, baby.
With these blazing temperatures, we had to stop at the gas station to grab some water and of course some snacks before we head to Homegoods, TJMAXX, and Ross because it's so hot today.
Heard new love is so beautiful. Time is what makes it ugly. But time after time and through every turn in this life, I could use some stability. We fly and we fall, but we don't fall apart. Break after break, each piece of my heart. Lovers have come and lovers have gone, but you still feel like right when the whole world feels wrong. They say history repeats itself, but a memory is for the shelf. Well, I replay the moments and years of our lives while I'm praying and hoping there will always be you and I. Tell me, how could two people grow? Rearrange and transpose, but it's always the same. I'm attracted to every way. Your mind and your body could ever change. We fly and we fall, but we don't fall apart. Break after break, each piece of my heart. Lovers have come and lovers have gone, but you still feel like right when the whole world feels wrong. They say history repeats itself, but a memory is for the shelf. Well, I replay the moments and years of our lives while I'm praying and hoping there will always be you and I. Over the years, the travels abroad. Over the fears, the you and I. Over the joys, the love and the wind. Over the sun, the rain and the wind. Over the rainbow, the house of the wise. Over a dream, always history I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and then she could lie. All the little lies to tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always